Hey Anna, what are we learning today?
Look at the string we are given with.
Okay, are you teaching me regex, Anna?
Yes, Peter, I am. I will teach you how to use regex with match method and get the expected output.
Sure Anna, I am really excited to learn it.
Did you see the output we get, Peter?
Yes Anna, but why so?
Here lies all the magic. Look. \b matches for string at beginning or at the end.
Okay.
\w matches for word.
Okay.
Plus symbol matches for one or more occurrences of string.
Okay.
G flag searches for string globally.
Okay.
I flag ignores cases, if any.
Okay. Thanks Anna, I got your explanation right.
Did Peter and Anna help you learn something new? Save and share this reel with your friends. Follow for more.